Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray, and today I'll be showing you another maths problem, and it's got to do with equal fractions. So if you recall, in our past two episodes, we have dealt with equal fractions easy mode, equal fractions medium mode, and this I will classify as equal fractions hard mode. So why is it harder than the rest? Let's find out, shall we? Miss Cole baked 250 more strawberry cookies than chocolate. So I'll circle 250 more and I'll point at strawberry. Then they said she sold 70% of the strawberry cookies, 20% of the chocolate. And because of that, she had the same number of strawberry and chocolate cookies left. So the key phrase that we are looking out for is selling 70% of the strawberry, selling 20% of the chocolate, and having the same number of strawberry and chocolate cookies left. So when we see the word same, we see the word equal, strawberry, chocolate left. That is a key phrase that we got to look out for. And this tells us that this is equal fractions, level 2. As to why it is harder than the previous two question types and the previous two kinds of equal fraction questions, it has got to do with this question being classified as a percentage word problem, a percentage problem sum. So in the end, what do they want from us? They want us to find the number of chocolate cookies at first. So I'll underline that and I will bracket it up. So having done the basic annotations in pencil, we got to use our highlighters. So BYROG once again, B for blue, 250 more strawberry than chocolate. Y for yellow, sold 70% of the strawberry. R for red, 20% of the chocolate. O for orange, same number of strawberry and chocolate cookies left. And finally green, G for green, find the number of chocolate cookies she baked at first. So let's get right down to solving this question, shall we? So we have strawberry, and we have chocolate. So later on I'll be using S for strawberry and C for chocolate. So the question actually told us that she sold 70% of the strawberry. So like in the previous two episodes, we used one whole, right? So in this case, because we are dealing with percentage, I'll use 100% as the one whole for the strawberry. So if 70% of the strawberry was sold, I'm only left with 30% of the strawberry. And if 20% of the chocolate was sold, I got to use 100% minus away 20% to leave us with 80% of the chocolate. So just a gentle reminder, everyone, the 100% that we wrote under the strawberry column refers to 100% of the strawberry, and the 100% for the chocolate, it refers to 100% of the chocolate cookies. And what should we do next? We got to write out our equation. And how will the equation look like? It will be 30% S being the same as 80% C, meaning C for chocolate. And just a reminder for everyone, once again, we cannot write down 30% to be equals to 80%. Because fundamentally, there are two different things. Because 30%, if you key into the calculator, is actually 0.3. And 80% is actually 0.8. So these are very different percentages, very different decimals. Okay? So 30% of S, 80% of C. So why is it equal fractions when I see percentage? Oh well, we got to change the percentage into fractions. Let me write out nice and big for everyone to see. We got to change percentage into fractions. So this is the pro tip, and this is the most important thing that we got to do in order to solve this question. So 30%, it becomes 3 out of 10 if I key into my calculator, and 80% when I key into my calculator, the simplest form is 4 out of 5. So that's the lovely thing about having the calculator. It will auto simplify the fraction for you. So I will not write down 80% as 8 out of 10. Instead, I'll write out 4 out of 5. And like what we did for the previous episode, we got to make numerators the same. We got to make numerators the same by finding the LCM. So everyone, the LCM of the numerators 3 and 4 is actually 12. Yes, let me say this again. The numerators, we got to make the numerators the same, and the LCM, lowest common multiple of 3 and 4, is none other than 12. So how can we achieve that? We are going to multiply by 4. Okay, let me use another color so it's clear for everyone. So I'm going to multiply by 4 for the strawberry. I'm going to multiply by 3 for the chocolate. And my next equation will become 12 out of 40. As for chocolate, being the same as 12 out of 15. C for chocolate. Okay, let me say this again. 12 out of 40 S for strawberry is the same as 12 out of 15 C for chocolate. So now that our fractions for strawberry and chocolate are the same already, I can safely say that the denominator 40 represents the total for the strawberry, and the denominator 15 represents the total for the chocolate. So I'll indicate that in my fractions, and I'll also draw out a very simple ratio table showing that strawberry, I have 40 units, chocolate, I will actually have 15 units only. So 40 units for strawberry and 15 units for chocolate. So at the start of the question, they said that Miss Cole baked 250 more strawberry than chocolate. So it's at this juncture that I'll use the information given in the question. So if I have 250 more strawberry cookies at the start, that means that my S minus C, S for strawberry, C for chocolate, 40 units minus away 15 units has got to be 25 units. And if these 25 units that I've discovered, it has got to refer to 250. So if 25 units is 250, what about 1 unit? 1 unit, it has got to be 250 divided by 25, and this leads us to the answer 10. But what is the actual question that they want from us? They say find the number of chocolate cookies she baked at first. So have we found our answer? The answer is yes. We are almost there. Just one more step. So to find the chocolate cookies, the total for the chocolate cookies, right, is none other than 15 units. As I have seen, as I have circled from my simple ratio table. So chocolate 15 units, it will be 10 times 15, in which our final answer will be 150. So ANS, the answer for this question is 150 chocolate cookies. And there we have it. We have come to the end of this episode. So thank you everyone for watching Smashing Maths Problems with MRT Maths. This is Teacher Ray signing off. See you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.